Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute segment, we will be discussing two fantastic foldable work tables. Over here to my right, we have the Sidekick by Worx, and to my left, we have a very popular express table made by Dewalt. Now, both of these tables are fantastic. They're probably the two best tables, folding small work tables on the market right now. What we're going to do is very simple. We're going to bring the camera up close, show you what they advertise, talk about price. Here we go. Okay, so here's table number one, the Sidekick by Worx. This table runs under 50 bucks. As usual, links will be in the description below for pricing and specs. Fantastic table, very small. 2 feet by 2 feet. We use this typically to cut with our small tabletop tile saw. It fits nice and compact in a corner of a bathroom. It's very durable. Let's show you over here. It's sturdy and stable. You fold and go, so it does collapse and fold up, which makes it very convenient, saves up space and room. It's a very easy thing to set up. Over here, it holds up to 300 pounds. And here are the specs. Again, 24 inches by 24 inches, holds up to 300 pounds, weighs about 13 pounds, has a quick setup mechanism for pick up and go. It is built with metal leg stands that won't slip on hard surfaces. Again, it has a detachable top that folds up into a carrying case. And also, it includes 4 clamp dogs that allow you to clamp in material, 2x4, 2x6, 2x12. And those are the basics of the Sidekick work table. Let's open it up and show you how this works. So it's very simple. You open it up like this. You have this rubber link system here. Remove them. Open the table. Here are the legs. You open the legs like this and install the top like so. So you have 4 locking knobs. Simply twist to lock the table into place. And you're ready to go. Again, 300-pound capacity, extremely compact, 24 inches by 24 inches. Now, the clamp dogs are stored underneath. Remove your clamp dogs. Insert them into the holes here, which will secure your material. Now let's quickly show you how to break it down and then we'll move on to the Dewalt. Collapse the legs. Drop it inside the case. Close it. And lock it. And there you are. 13 pounds. A fantastic, lightweight, foldable work table. Now let's show you the Dewalt. Here's the Dewalt. Opens in 3 seconds. Press a button, pull the handle, and the legs spread open. Capacity is up to 1,000 pounds. Now that is incredible for a small table like this. The size is 24 inches by 34 inches. Full clamping coverage. Now this table is very sturdy, does not wobble around. Let's show you how you open it up. You have a button at the top here. Press the button, unfold the legs, very quick and easy. And there you go, sturdy metal legs. Again, it holds up to 1,000 pounds. I wouldn't suggest testing that capacity out. But yes, we use this for multiple applications, cutting lumber on it. You can stand on it, using it as a very tall bench. We also use this to put our tabletop tile saw on it, as well as our manual tile cutters. It's extremely versatile. Now this is how you collapse the table. And there you go. Of course, your handle here for transportation. It folds up very nice to store away. This is hands down one of our favorite tables. It is very popular. Well, there you go, guys. The Sidekick by Worx, the Express by Dewalt, two of the best folding tables on the market right now. Like I said before, link in the description below if you want to check out pricing. Share this video if you know anybody who might find it useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.